Hey guys, welcome back to Seashore Music. Today I'm going to teach you a song by James Bay and Julia Michaels called Peer Pressure, and it's got a capo on the 2nd fret and it uses really nice fingerstyle pattern and the same 4 or 5 chords throughout the whole song. So I'll show you that, I'll show you all the different parts and you'll be able to play along in no time. I'll go to a close-up and show you how to play it. Okay, so in the acoustic version it starts with this little riff, which is pretty cool, so I'm going to show you it. It's playing a D chord, but you're only using the 1st and 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G, 3rd fret of the B. You're going to play that, slide down 2 frets, slide back. And then you do a little hammer on with your 3rd finger from the 2nd fret of the G to the 4th fret. And pull off. Let's throw that in there because it's quite a cool riff and you're able to use it in different things. Okay, to the song. So it starts with this D chord, and again you're going to play with the 1st and 2nd fingers, and throughout the song you're going to switch between the bass note and the B string. Okay, and that's not going to change, it's just going to change the bass note. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the D. So you're playing the D string and the B string, just switching between them. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're going to go to a D with a B root, okay, and when you play the chord it's going to be a B minor chord. So just move your 1st finger up 2 strings to the 2nd fret of the A, and then you're going to switch between the A string and the B string. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to go to a G chord, and you're going to play the big E string and the B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's what it plays in the verse, and that doesn't change. Before that, I should probably teach you a little intro riff that I use for the chorus as well. So that follows a similar pattern, but you're just changing the bass notes more regularly. So it's going to go D, 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2. Then you're going to put your 3rd finger on this C sharp note here. So it's the 4th fret of the A string. You go 1, 2. Then you're going to go to that B, keeping your finger on the B string all the time. 1st finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then take it off. So you've got D, C sharp, B, A, and you're going to go to your G chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's your intro. It's going to play it through once, and then it's going to play this in the chorus each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we've got the verse, we've got the chorus. The only other thing it does in this song is uses the verse chords and it does some palm muting. So every now and again you'll hear that kind of thing. So it's following the same pattern as the verse. So you're going 1, 2. So it's 8 beats, and then you go to a B minor chord for 4 beats and G chord for 4 beats. And that's a G bar chord. So B minor bar chord, G bar chord. And the only other thing that it does in the song which is different is for the bridge it just strums D chord, 1, 2, 3, 4, B man, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, and then it goes into the chorus riff. and you move your fingers around whichever's easiest. I like to keep my second finger on that 3rd fret of the B string, but you change it around, whatever's most comfortable, whatever you can reach. And I think that's it. Oh, the verse, when it does that on the D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. B, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plays through that twice. So I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then to finish off the verse, you go to B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then A. And then down, 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 down. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that song. It's really simple in structure and it's got a lot of cool things that you can add into your own playing. If you like what I do, please subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.